first work together for 1-1. So you can see down at the bottom, 1-1 WT is work together. And that is in your book on page 8. It says, completing the accounting equation. Write the answers to the following problem in your working papers. Well, we do it in Excel. For each line, fill in the missing amount to complete the accounting equation. Now, we know, as I've been saying, Algebra 1, both sides of the equation need to be equal. You see on the left side we have our assets, then our equal sign, and these two, liabilities plus owner's equity, must equal. The sides must remain in balance or equal. So, simple enough, 8 and 3 is 11,000. And this one we have 10,000, we have 6,000 over here. That means the one in the middle must be 4,000. This one requires a little bit more math. 63 and 35 would be 28. Okay, finish those on your own. On your own problems are right below it, and you do it on the same tab.